how to turn off read receipts on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, then what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. And now here in this section, what you can do is simply scroll down to the bottom and there you'll see the option labeled as read receipts. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, if you have enabled this option, then what you can do is just toggle off this show read receipts option. And with that, you'll be able to turn off read receipts on Messenger. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.